am Preetham Barua. I am the Dean of the School of Law at BML Munjal University. At the School of Law, we aim to nurture constitutionally rooted, internationally oriented, and scientifically minded lawyers.
At the School of Law, one of the things that we focus on is ensuring that the curriculum keeps up with the dynamic nature of the law. And we do this by offering the range of electives in addition to the core courses that the Bar Council prescribes.
There is an explosion of concerns and issues in sporting activity, be it IPL, Kabaddi, or wrestling. Therefore, we need to address the regulatory gaps in the system to create equal opportunity, fair play, and to achieve sports integrity.
Humans and animals have had a working relationship for thousands of years now. What was supposed to be a mutual relationship of reciprocity has turned into an abusive association because animals have been characterized as property in the Indian legal system and not as living beings. As a course, critical animal legal studies aims to question this very categorization of animals by drawing better examples from other jurisdictions.
At the Center for International Law, we try to bring these voices to start a conversation to ensure that we produce robust scholarship.
The Center on Law, Regulation and Technology works on the issues that fall at the intersection of law, technology and markets. The kind of issues that we are working on are AI governance, on personal data, non-personal data governance, and of course competition law in the technology markets.
At BML Munjal University School of Law, we started with building a faculty with experience from across the world. Our faculty members have degrees from Oxford, Melbourne, University College London, National University of Singapore, and several other leading universities from across the world.
My research explores how law operates in a particular context, and I try to analyze this by looking at how regulatory templates accompanying economic globalization are implemented in a particular jurisdictional context.
Our flagship series, Law Personal Journey, for example, hosts luminaries and pioneers in the legal field, be it honorable judges of the Supreme Court, senior advocates, and practicing lawyers.
Apart from orienting various internship and placement opportunity for our students, we also endeavor to make our students as industry ready as they can be.
We welcome you all to join us in this journey to visit our lovely sprawling green campus and to interact with our faculty and students who not only look at the foundations but also look towards the future.